How to fix Instagram story views not showing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram story views not showing on Android phone. All you need to do, just go to settings and then go to apps and apps again and Instagram. Now just go to storage, clean cache, and click this one for stop, and then just go back. uh, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just go back to apps and apps again and go to Instagram, and here we'll find this one, data usage. Just enable all of those here, background data, maybe we'll find it like that, enable it and try again, and now your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.